Jody from Florida Center for Hormones and Wellness, and I'm very excited to be here today to show you how to set up Autoship for any of the supplements that you wish to purchase from Xymogen, our supplement partner. So here's how you do it. You want to go to wholescripts.com/login. You can either type that into your browser or you can click on the link in the recommendations email that we sent to you. Go ahead and put in your login information. If you may have forgotten your password, simply put in your email address and click forgot password and you can reset that. Or if you need to, you can contact us and we'd be happy to resend you your login information. Once you're logged in, you're going to look and see what recommendations you have on your page. Anything that you want to order needs to be in here as a recommendation from the doctor. If there is something that you discussed with him at an appointment and you don't see it here, or something that you discovered on the Xymogen website that you'd like to order, not a problem, just let us know and we'll get that put in there for you. But then you want to select the item that you want to have shipped. I'm going to select my med packs. We're going to click, I'm going to come down here, we're going to click add to cart. Come on over here to the shopping cart. Now it looks like I had some items in there from before, so let's just go ahead and take those away. I just want one med packs. There we go. So I got my one med packs, and right here next to the quantity is the drop down, and you can select to have it shipped to you once, every 30 days, every 60 days, or every 90 days, whatever works best and is convenient for you. I'm going to choose every 30 days because that's what a med packs is designed for. There's enough tablets inside your med packs to take one every single day. So I'm going to choose every 30 days. I've got my total price, which is $113.10. However, with my discount, I'm only going to be paying $107 because you get a 5% discount for being a patient of Florida Center for Hormones and Wellness. Once you've got everything set up properly, you want to click checkout. I'm going to go ahead and update my shopping cart since I did make some changes by deleting a few items. Check out again. You want to select the shipping address that you want to use. You may have one already in there. If you're going to be out of town or you want to change the address, you can simply add one. I'm going to go ahead and continue because that shipping address is correct. Then you'll choose your shipping method. So you can either use the standard and not be charged anything additional, or you've got some faster options, whatever works for you. I'm going to stay with the free one. Click continue. And we're going to go to the payment method. So if you don't already have a credit card in there, you want to click add credit card, put your credit card information in there. And then once all that is in, you click continue and you'll review your order and order. I'm not going to go through the process of putting in my credit card here on this video, but that is as simple as it is. We encourage you to get on Autoship if you're consistently taking your supplements. It's just one less thing for you to worry about, and you make sure that you have them handy when you need them. If you've got any questions or you need any assistance, please give us a call, 407-507-3837. We're happy that this is finally here and we can finally get our supplements on Autoship. Thanks so much, guys, and have a great day.